Hey.
Hi.
We're still here. Colette has retreated to the room because her show came on.
Yeah, it's called Umizoomi. Team Umizoomi. Yeah, Team Umizoomi.
She's got quite a few shows, but she couldn't miss this one. And this is our bike. It's been making some progress.
I'm painting polka dots. All the other chicks are going to be jealous. Yeah, and all the other babies too.
I'm using acrylic paint. And I figure I'm going to get some of the gloss spray for a project, so I'll spray it on her. What?
Mommy.
What?
I want to see me.
You can't see you and have you on the computer? But we'll wait till you turn it off, then we'll see you, okay? She wants to see her picture being recorded. Okay, say bye-bye. I'll say bye-bye, then you can see yourself, okay?